Hello YouTube, welcome to my other video. This video is not about air conditioning stuff, but it's about induction heating. It's a random project that I did recently. It's an experiment, so I haven't made it on a PCB yet. There are two IRF540N, and also I've used the, what's the IRF250, but I don't have that, so I guess it will work, and it worked. Here I got the capacitors underwater because it's gonna get really hot, and here's the work coil. There's the water. That's the temperature. Oh, come on. Oh, it's so dark. Have to move. Yay, there it is. 98.7 degrees Celsius. It's boiling. Amazing. While watching some YouTube. You should check out the channel, I guess. I have to pause it just in case there will be copyright strike again. I hate it, you know. But it does work. It's running at, let's see, 9.2 amps. That means that's the full capacity of the power brick here. That is 9.2 amps output. 19.5 volts, 9.2 amps. Let's see how many watts is this thing. I can't remember how. I don't want to calculate it right now. Let's see, it's about 180 or 90 watts, I guess. But yeah, just power the induction heating properly, and it worked. The water is boiling. It's just a thermal sensor. I know it looks ugly, but it still works. So here's the controller. 51N 5819 Schottky diode, some resistors, and 12 volts Zener, and 560 ohm pull-up resistor, and as I mentioned before, IRF540N MOSFET. And those capacitors. I know, I've seen some people did that on the internet, that they put it underwater and does work, so I guess it will be okay. Put it in here. Temperature stay at 98.3 and the water is still boiling. Interesting. I'm gonna play with this smaller coil. There's a 10 square millimeter cable. 10 square millimeters. See how many turns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5 plus 5. No, it's a bit too big. I'll make a smaller coil using copper wiring. I mean, like copper pipe from AC, like those capillary pipe. So I can pass the water from inside of it so it doesn't overheat. I wonder what will happen if I put more capacitance on here. It's currently running at 1 microfarad capacitor, and if I'm not mistaken there are 5 pieces of 33 nano farad, so it's around 150, 165, 1.165 microfarad in total. Maybe gonna get it higher, because on the circuit it just says using 0.68, more than, must be greater than 250 volts. Okay, I did use 250 and 630 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check it. Yep, it's 630 volts, but still overheat. So yeah, just put it in the water and you'll be okay. see another circuit. They all ask you to use this. All 0.68, 10. Let's see what's this. This is one. Oh no. Oh, they use a get drive transform. Let's see. It's not the ZVS. That's fine. Where's another ZVS circuit? It's a bit confusing, you know. There are 2 microfarad, and while this circuit was show 0.68, and the others will show different. See, C1. Let's see where's the C1 here. C1 3 microfarad. What? I know. I don't know. I could show it's one to use. I guess I mean you have to experiment it by yourself to get it work correctly. Yeah, I guess that's it. What they mean. Because it's really confusing while you Google for those things. There's a lot of circuit that's showing different capacitance. Oh no, this is not ZVS. Is this? Oh wait, this is C capacitor point. Wait. Why is it there's a 0.17 micro? Is it micro? CUF? Oh yeah. Micro Henry capacitor. Weird though. Since when capacitor is measured in Henry? Okay, anyway, I'll put this capacitor 1 and 1. I remember it. It does work. I'll continue to experiment it, see if it will works better than this. I'm trying to get higher power out of this induction heater. Maybe I'll just first let me just start with IRF 250N or 260. They're better. Replace it with IRF 260N, and I'm good to go. And go with bigger capacitor. I guess maybe put 10 or 12. Just wanna know what will happen if you put a large amount of capacitance. No. Curious. Anyway, that's it for this video, because I haven't gotten any idea for a new video yet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you like it. Dislike it if you just hate it for some reason. Or maybe you got an idea for next video, others, or maybe some experiment, different capacitance on these things, or maybe other stuff you want me to try to make the video. If I could, just leave in the comment. I'll make it. I mean, try to make it if I could, because I'm not sure. Anyway, see ya.